Okay, as we're going down this Isata 3 2017 Mercedes diesel 3.0 liter, 188 foot-pounds of torque, 362 horsepower. Looks very nice on the front, well taken care of. This is a step right here, so I can place my foot up in here, climb up on it to clean that windshield better, just in case you didn't know that. The fiberglass, full fiberglass wraparound front cap up here, so it wraps around and the seams are on that side. They're not right in front where a potential leak hazard can happen. An awesome paint job. Dean Laux used to do the paint on this, a lot of clear coat, cut and buff, I guess. It is very smooth. This is painted like the high-end coaches you might see out there. Nice Continental tires. There's a lot of tread on there. This does have around 36,400 miles on it, and frameless windows on this side. Like I said, if you feel another coach like this one over here, there is ridges in the paint. There is no ridges on this. This is very nice. This is a storage compartment right here. You have an Onan 3600 LP generator sitting right there. Heated enclosed tanks here. There's, yeah, that's for that. For your stinky slinky right there. And your dump valves down there. Plug in your power cord right there. You have a big slide here, backup camera, hitch, 5,000-pound hitch. But guys, you can only tow about 4,300 pounds. It's a 5,000-pound hitch, but only 4,300 pounds. This has the two-stage awning. Look how low that goes. All the way down here. Provides plenty of shade. That is the two-stage awning. 1, 2. Outside speakers. There are a few scratches on it, you know, hitting those tree limbs and stuff up there. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there are a few little scuffs and stuff on it. But overall, it is very nice. A place to put your TV. The Truma hot water heater, or I guess it's just a water heater. Doesn't heat hot water. So that's gives you plenty of hot water right there. See a few little scratches there. Let's see. Little cubby hole there. Propane. Your Suburban furnace. Back of your refrigerators right here. So very nice. Outside porch light up there. Let's take a look inside. So what you have in here is all your switches and controls. It must have solar on this one. Everything's powered up nicely. You have your controls for your awning, lights, and so forth, your tanks, your generator, start, a countertop extension here, lifts up for more room. Nice high-rise faucet there. Let's see. Okay, that comes in sections. That's nice. Okay, and let's see. You have your awning, or your awning, your TV up here swivels outward. This is for your seats up here. So when these seats, both of these seats swivel inward, so you can, your knees don't come up into your chest. By the way, it does have side view cameras as well. I didn't point those out. So this will come up here, protect cargo up here. This space is, you know, I think this bed is only rated for like 250 pounds, but you'd probably use that mostly for storage or small kids. Looks like they left, you know, for their front windshield. You have some cup holders up here as well. This is where, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So you can hang your coats up here. So these just come down, so you can hang your coats right inside the door. And let's see, look at that underlit cabinetry. You have a nice recliner sofa area. It's supposed to come with 2 tables that swivel out. We have not found those yet, so we are going to look for those. You got plug-ins up there with USB ports and Max Air vent, fantastic vent fan that is electronic. You have a nice big gas electric refrigerator, convection microwave oven. Very nice. 3-burner stove. Since you have the convection, you don't need this space, so you have another drawer right there. It is a soft close, and that's for the Truma water heater. Let's see, big refrigerator in there. You also have a TV back here, LED lights all through the center of this coach that light it up very nicely. This bed, so that comes up for when the slide goes out, but you still have plenty of room because it's a side bathroom area. So you can get in the bathroom good. You have access to your underneath bed storage right here. You also can do that right there. So you have a plug under the bed with USB ports down there as well. Let me see here. There's a little cubby hole in here. Oh, that's a big space for that, for your little pantry right here. Automatic light that comes on, little closet. That space is access from right there. Look at your pantry storage right here. Little basket right there. And it's a nice sized little bathroom. I looked in this earlier. This is a little dark. Let's try to find the light. Okay. So it looks like it's a plastic toilet. Yeah, it's not porcelain, but whatever. And weight is an important issue in this one. So you have a little sink, storage under there. You have a nice medicine cabinet right here. A place to hang your towels. Another place to hang towels or whatnot. That doesn't stay up there. Plenty of room in the shower. A lot of space. A lot of space in the shower. So that is very nice. So your carrying capacity is around 360 pounds about. But so you just watch how you load this. But yeah, very nice unit. And if you're interested in this or any others, just message me. Thank you.